Metatrader4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for Metatrader4 and not Metatrader5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex brokers. I keep on saying it every time, now and then. You must trade on regulated Forex brokers. Make sure you download their demo platform and try it. Try any strategy you have on their demo account and make sure they are regulated in your area before you go on. We have a lot of scammer outside there. Please be guided. Use a regulated Forex brokers and try out your strategy on their demo account. Do not practice with any money that you cannot afford to deposit into your live account. So it is important that you trade on regulated Forex broker with the amount you are willing to deposit into your live trading account. And before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news concerning that particular pairs you want to trade on, so that the fundamental analysis will not affect your technical analysis. This particular strategy can be used on any pairs as long as you have it on your MT4. This can be used to trade US30 cash. You can use this to trade Nasdaq, and these are all indices. You can use this to trade indices. This strategy can be used to trade cryptocurrency. You can trade every pairs, every crypto pairs. You can trade BTC USD, that is Bitcoin USD. You can trade Doji, you can trade Litecoin, you can trade Ethereum, as long as you have it on your MT4. You can use this strategy to trade metals like gold, silver, and the rest, as long as you have them on your MT4. This can be used to trade stocks. You can trade Amazon store, Facebook stocks, and the like, as many stocks as you have on your MT4. We have a lot of them. Just check them out. This can be used to trade any Forex pairs you want to trade. Having said that, let's move on to today's strategy. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Here is another strategy that I've combined few Forex tools or indicators together to come up with this simple strategy. I have few indicators on my chart here, and the download link for all the indicators I use, including my template, is in the video description. Make sure you download it and use my template. I do not want to go over all the indicators one by one and do the setting. Just use my template and you have the same chart like mine. Now, this is how to use this particular strategy. I'm on gold right now, and this is a 15-minute time frame. I have this TFF indicator here that I've customized at the indicator window, and it is important you follow this simple indicator. It is simple, but make sure you follow the rule. And I have another indicator here that turned to blue and red. Blue is a signal for buy, and red is a signal for sell. And I have this resistance and support zone indicator. Now let's combine these indicators together, and let me explain how you use this profitably. Number one thing you have to look out for is this TFF indicator. If the blue line is above the red, as we have it here, the blue line is above the red, then you should be ready to take a buy trade, when you have the blue above the red as we have it here. Here is the red and we have the blue above. So this is a buy signal and this must turn to blue and coming from this support zone. So this is a good signal for a buy and you ride your trend. And then for a sell setup, then the red must be above the blue. It must be above the blue here. Then you ride your trend. You can take your sell here. This must turn to red and must be coming from resistance zone. Then you can place your trade and your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high. And this is just how to trade this particular strategy. Then your stop loss will be where I just show you on the chart, and your take profit will be at the next support zone for a sell. And this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple and it can be used on any time frame. And if we change it to 1 hour, let's see how it play out on 1 hour too. On 1 hour we have a buy signal here. All the indicators were in agreement at this particular point, and you ride your trend. This is how to use it, and it is simple. Here we have a simple just small pips for sell where we have red above, and this did deliver. And let's check 4 hours. So if you like to trade on higher time frame, let's see what we have on 4 hours time frame. And on 4 hours we have a serious uptrend here. This one in agreement, and this is a simple strategy. And make sure all this strategy you try it out on regulated forex brokers. And we are still in uptrend on the 4 hours time frame, though we are this resistance zone, but we are still in uptrend based on the TFF indicator. We are still in the uptrend, and this is how to use this particular strategy. It can be used on any time frame you want, and if you want to scalp on lower time frame, you can use this also, but only scalp in the direction of the major or trend. And here we have it on the 5-minute time frame, and this is a sell setup. This is a resistance zone. This turn to red. We have the red above here on TFF. Then take your sell here, and your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high, and you ride your trend. It's a simple strategy that anyone can use. All the indicators I use for this particular strategy are in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. The only thing I need from you is a thumb up. Do not forget to trade on regulated forex broker. It is important. Do not waste your time. Do not waste your resources trading or practicing on a broker's platform that is not registered. Make sure the brokers you are trading or you want to trade on is regulated. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and practice on their demo account before you go live. It is important that you trade on regulated forex broker. Very, very important. Do not waste your time practicing on a broker's platform that is not regulated. Make sure you trade with regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. I have been using them and I do not have any issue trading with them, either depositing money or withdrawing my hard-earned money. Please trade on regulated forex broker. Trade on regulated forex broker. I say it again, trade on forex regulated brokers, and make sure you demonstrate any strategy before you go live with it, either paid indicators or paid forex signal or paid forex strategy. Make sure you try it out on your demo account on your forex trading demo account before you go live. It is advisable you do that. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.